सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परम। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। गतकक्षायां 250तमः श्लोकः सम्पूर्णः कृतः अभ्यासेन साकम्। अद्य तु 350तमः श्लोकः पुस्तके अस्मिन् श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता संग्रह ग्रन्थे पुस्तके वस्तुतस्तु 13 अध्याये क्षम्यतां 16 अध्याये चतुर्थः श्लोकः पठनीयः। वस्तुतः गीतायाः 16 अध्याये चतुर्थः श्लोकः अद्य वयम् अस्माभिः पठिष्यते। इदानीं श्रीनिवास श्लोकः पठितः मया, विस्मृतम्। अयं श्लोकः अपि गतकक्षायामेव पठितः। 350तमः श्लोकः अपि पठितः अस्माभिः पुस्तके। चतुर्थः 16 अध्यायस्य चतुर्थः श्लोकः अपि पठितः। पदच्छेदः, पदपरिचयः, आकांक्षा एते सर्वापि कृताः। अन्वयार्थः पठनीयः स्यात्। So we are over to the अन्वयार्थ on page 237.
हे पार्थ, आसुरीं सम्पदम् अभिजातस्य दम्भः दर्पः अभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यम् एव च अज्ञानम् एतानि लक्षणानि भवन्ति।
हे पार्थ, हे अर्जुन, आसुरीं सम्पदम् अभिजातस्य, the man born in this demonic state of estate. Dambha, Dambha is ostentatiously, or as we have already seen, hypocrisy, of religious hypocrisy. And then Abhimanaha, pride, arrogance, Krodha, rage. We have yesterday given you the correct word, the rage, Parushyam and harshness, Eva, Ajnanam, and similarly ignorance. These are all the lakshanas are automatically born to the person born in this state of demonic state, born of this demonic state. Srinivas padartham pashyamaha. Partha asurim sampadam. Before we go to that, let us take up that note, show them. Now it is of some interest that we go through the different, there are 4 varieties, but what are suitable, I found 2 different interpretations of this word Asura Shabda. From Asura we get Asuri, Asurasya. So you can see the note I have put up in the screen. Asuraha. First interpretation is Asuraha. Raha is equal to Rataha. Surataha. Well pleased. Well pleased. Surataha. Rataha, Surataha. Asu. Then next step is Asu Rataha. Surataha means well pleased. Asurataha means Nasurataha. In a negative sense it is taken here. Asurataha, not pleased, ill pleased. And ill pleased towards what? One may get a doubt. Prashna udeti manasi. Kutra na kim prati kam prati na pritaha iti. Sthaneshu, in their respective places. In there, it is understood. Sthaneshu, the interpreter says, Sthaneshu, in their respective places, they are not pleased. They are not happy. Surataha means pleased, well pleased. Asurataha means not pleased in whatever position they are occupying. See, asuras are those people who are not happy with their state of affairs, with the state of existence. They are not pleased. So that is what is also explained in English. Asuras are so called because they are not happy in the places where they are. Nahite sustu rataha sthaneshu. Nahite asuraha sustu na rataha sthaneshu. Tesham sthaneshu na rataha na ramante iti. Swa sthaneshu ete asuraha na ramante na modante iti artha chapalaha ityartha, and therefore it means they are very fickle minded. Durgacharya, one interpretation, Acharya, they are not well pleased with their residences, with their places, residences. That is, they wish to leave them as they are fickle minded, chapalaha. So asuras are those people who wander from one place to another place. Something like vagabonds, what we say. So that is one interpretation given here. Next one is asuraha as iti kaschana dhatuhu asti. Vu, splitting of that word asura, as u raha. Vu to be omitted, he says. Raha taha. As plus taha. Astaha. Astaha sthani. Asta means throne. Astu kshepana. Kshepanartha is there. Astram. That is how it is. Asa taha astaha sthanebhyaha. Sthanebhyaha astaha kshiptaha. They are thrown away from their places. They are, what do you call, dislodged from their positions by the Devaganas. Asuras are the people who are being removed from their position by the Devatas. Astaha dhurikrutaha sthanebhyaha nishkasitaha. Astaha nama nishkasitaha sthanebhyaha. From their places is understood. Again, like sthaneshu as it is understood above, it is understood here. Sthanebhyaha. Sthanebhyaha from their respective homes or places. They are so called because they are hurled from their residences. They are thrown, hurled down means they are thrown from there by the gods. They are hurled down because they are mischievous. Chapalaha. Otherwise you can say, why are they hurled down? Why are they? Kimartam yete asuraha astaha kshiptaha swa sthanebhyaha swaswa sthanebhyaha yato te chapalaha. Now these are two interpretations in which we take this asura shabda. But somewhere I read, I could not locate the place, asun rati iti asuraha. One who gives life, life giver also. In some context they say asura is also a deva. Asun rati, ra dane, rati. He gives the life. Grupnati, but that doesn't come into the purview of asura. You have to go by these words only. Asun rati dadati, pranan dadati. Pranadata kevalam deva eva, natu asura. Parantu asurasya ayam artaha api tatra kenachit tatra uktaha. Okay, we move ahead here. Sampadam sampattim abhijatasya dambaha. Now this is Atmaslaga. Yesterday we have already seen Dharma Dvajitvam and Dambo Dharmikataya Atmanaha Kyapanam Tadeva Dharma. So Dharmikataya Atmanaha Kyapanam, making yourself known, public, making yourself famous by doing some religious activity. That is Damba. Never do any religious activity for the sake of name. There are so many people nowadays in India who make a big show, make a live telecast of the things they are doing. That is Damba. It should be done in a very unexhibitive way, unostentatious way, something like that. So that is Damba. Dambaha dharmikataya atmanaha, that is Khyapanam. So that is well explained by the writers. Darpaha.
Ahankaraha बाह्यवस्तुभ्यः स्वस्मिन् दृश्यमानः.
This is explained as dhana swajanadi nimitta utsekaha. Dharpaha is dhana swajanadi nimitta utsekaha. It's a pride, utsekaha garvaha. It's a pride towards dhana swajanadi nimittam. Pride, a person having pride because of money, dhana, because of many people working for him, and that is real dharpa. Ma kuru dhana jana yavvana garvam comes in there. So that is dharpa. Dharpa is arrogance. But what is it? Hankaraha. Bahya vastubhyah swasmin drishyamanaha. Bahya, here it says bahya vastubhyah swasmin drishyamanaha. Seen in oneself. But that better than this interpretation, dhana svajana nimittam nimitta utsekaha. Better. That is given by Nilakanta. Dhana swajana nimitta utsekaha garvaha. Okay. Abhimanaha.
Garvaha vidya buddhyadi antarika bhavaihi swasmin drishyamana.
Vidya buddhyadi antarika bhavaihi swasmin drishyamana. It is as feeling seen in oneself. Vidya buddhyadi antarika bhavaihi. So a kind of self-conceit, correct, that is the word is correct in English, which is there because of education, because of one's own intellect, etc. But let me see, Atmani pujyata buddhihi. Nilakanta says, Atmani pujyata buddhihi. Self-respecting feeling in oneself, that is. Okay. Abhimana, krodhaha. Kopaha is a word we have to use, but in English you don't take it, as I said. Wrath. Oh, he has given wrath here. Very good. Surprisingly. Somewhere this book says anger, but here it is saying wrath. Good. Kopa is wrath. Krodhaha. And krodha is a, Madhusudana says, Swaparapara pravrutti hetuhu. Swapara apara pravrutti hetuhu abhijvalanatmakaha. Abhijvalanatmakaha. It's like a fire. Antakarana vritti viseshaha. This is a matter of the mind. This is a matter of the antakarana, mind, that swapara apakara pravrutti hetuhu. Swapara apakara. So it is krodha when one is, we have already spoken at length. When krodha takes place, one does not have swapara. He may do damage to his own people, he may also kill other people also. Swapara apakara hetu. Abhijvalanatmaka, and it is a very fiery in nature. Krodha is very fiery in nature. That is why what I said yesterday, wild anger. Man becomes wild under the spell of krodha. Man is mild under the spell of kopa. If you become wild, you lose all your senses. So that is krodha, Srinivas. Parushamevacha. That is harshness. Ajnanam. Avivekaha. Better explained as kartavyadi vishaya viveka abhavaha. Kartavya akartavyadi vishaya viveka abhavaha. Absence of the knowledge of what to do, what not to do. That is called ajnanam, ignorance in simple terms. Bhavanti, sambhavanti, become. They were born, become is better. Asura, one more interpretation you find here, Madhusudana. Damadana daya rahitaha manushyaha asuraha, he says. Not only those species of asuras, but daya, dana, daya, dama, dana rahitaha manushyaha eva asuraha. He beautifully says that men are only asuras without daya, without self-control, damadana, daya. Damadana daya. And he is referring to one famous Upanishadic story is there, Dada the story. So where all the three types of people, I think we have referred already this story sometime in the previous class, where daiti ekam aksharam tatra diyate upadesha rupena. So the Acharya gives one upadesha, the iti. Vyajnasishta, have you understood? Yes, Vyajnasishta. The Devatas understand as Damana. Because gods are the people who are in power, so they should need self-control. They understand. Yes, they go. And then Manavas come. Same, the letter is given to them. And the teacher, the Prajapati asks whether they have understood. They say, yes, we have understood. They say, Dana, Dattam. We are very selfish people by nature. We are selfish by nature. You want us to be liberal, Dana, indulgent Dana. Okay, you go. Then these Asuras come. They are also given the same the iti akshara, eka akshara upadesha. Dattaha. Tesham api sa eva upadesha dattaha bhavati. So they also says, yes, we have understood. What have you understood? Checks the teacher. He counter asks. Then they say, Daya. We are very cruel people. We are Rakshasas, we are Asuras. We are Rakshasas there. We are very cruel. So you want us to be following Daya. Yes, you also know, you can go. Now keeping that story, but there all the three factors which are understood by different species are applicable to men only. That is what this Madhusudana Saraswati say. I think he says correctly. Damadana daya rahitaha manushyaha asura eva. Men without self-control, without charity, without kindness, they are asuras only. Asuras are nobody but men only. So he said, Ekenaiva da ityakṣarena prajapatina dama rahitan manusyan prati dama rahitan manusyan prati damopadesha krutaha dana rahitan manusyan prati danopadesha krutaha daya rahitan manavan prati dayopadesha krutaha ekena aksharena daiti aksharena natu vijatiyaha eva Devasura Manusya iha vivakshitaha. He says it is not intended for Devasura, etc., etc. These three instructions are given to men only. Daya rahitan prati manusyan prati, damana rahitan prati, punaha dana rahitan manusyan prati. So we need to take a big lesson here. That men are by nature selfish, cruel, and also uncontrolled in their behavior. These three things. That is asuratva, that is asuri bhava. Okay, Srinivas, bhavartham patu.
Hey Arjuna.
And one more point, very nicely he said, Madhusudana, manusyadhikaratvat shastrasya. Shastra is meant only for Manusyas, not for Devatas, not for Asuras. Manusya adhikaratvat shastrasya. Therefore, these three are only applicable to men. Only Manavas are adhikaris. So that is a very good point made by Madhusudana. Yeah, you can go now. Hey Arjuna.
Hey Arjuna, Rakshasim sampattim praptasya manusyasya lakshaneshu Atmashlaga, Ahankaraha, Garvaha, Kopaha, Kathorata, Vivekahinatadini, Pramukhani Lakshanani Bhavanti.
The Bhavartha is very good covered. Hey Arjuna, Rakshasim Sampattim Praptasya Jatasya Manusyasya Lakshaneshu. Among the characteristics of a man who is born in the Rakshasi state of thing, Atmaslaga, one quality is self-praise, appraisal, ahankara, and then ego, garva, arrogance, kopa, that is rage, katorata, harshness, viveka, hinatadi, and absence of discrimination, pramukhani, lakshanani. These are the important lakshanas of a man born in a demonic state of mind, you can say. In the Angla Bhasha, it's okay. Everything is okay. So, Nidarshanam, Vyakarnamsha, Pashyamaha. Sandhi, Dambo, Darpo, Abhimanascha.
Dambaha, Darpaha, Abhimanaha.
Again, Visarga Sandhi at very operation. Chabhijatasya. Taditanta Dvayam Trayam. Parushyam. Purushasya Shain. Pratyaya. Purushasya Bhava Parushyam. Asurim. Asuram Anapratyaya. Asuram. Stritva Vivekshayam Neep. So when this has to be converted into feminine gender, Neep comes there. Stritva Vivekshayam Neep Pratyaya. So Asurim Partha Puthayaha Apatyam Anpratyaya. So what is to be noted here? Stri Pratyaya Neep. Neep. How Neep is used in Asuri. Asura Shabda. Asura Shabda Stritva, etc. Abhyasaha tatra punaha samikaranam correction 43. Tri chatvarimshaha abhyasa. It was. Now yojana. Dambaha Pashlagha. Parushyam Kathorata 1. Damba is 4. Parushyam is 1. Abhijatasya 2. Praptasya. Partha Arjuna 5. Sampadam Sampattim. Sampatti iti shabdaha ikaranta strilinga shabdaha. Sampat shabda dakaranta strilinga shabda. Ubhavapi strilinga shabdau. Both are strilingas. Uttaram lekhanam here. Sloke Asuri Sampat Kati Sankhya Katita. Of how many Sloke Asuri Sampat Shat Sankhya Katita. Shat Sankhya, you only put there Shat Sankhya Katita. Partha Kaha Sambodhayati. Partham Kshamyatam. Partham Kaha Sambodhi. Who is addressing the Arjuna? Sri Krishna. Shloke Kati Krudanta Shabdaha Santi. How many are there? He wants only number. For that you have to count. Krodha is 1. Darpa is 2. Abhimana is 3. Damba is 4. Srinivas. Krud Gai. Drup Gai. Abhiman Gai. Damba also. All are same. So, Chatvaraha. So, what is your answer? Sloke Chatvaraha Krudanta Shabdaha Santi. If the question were like this, Sloke Kati Krudanta Padani Santi, then your answer will be Sloke Kati Krudanta Padani Santi. Supposing this question is put like this. Krudanta Padani Santi, then you have to say, how would you put Chatvari? Chatvari. Sloke Chatvari Krudanta Padani Santi. So there is no scope here for Strilinga Prayoga. Chatvaraha or Chatvari, depending on. Then the last one, Darpo Bhimanaha Ityatra Kaha Sandhihi. Visarga Sandhi. Suti Amshaha Esham Padanam Pratyekam Chaturaha. Oh, he wants you to write 4 synonymous words. Parushyam. Katinata. Parushyam Katinata 1. Nishtura Vak 2. You can say Karkasha Vak. No, I don't think. Karkasha is Karkasha Vak, Nishtura Vak. Not clicking. So we'll see. Two we have done. Huh? Partha, let us take this we can do. Arjuna,
Kiriti,
Dhananjaya,
Shatavaha.
yes. Yeah, Pandava, Bharata, anything. Any number of you can do. Abhimanaha, Garvaha, Darpaha, they are used here only. Abhimana, Garvaha, Darpaha, Ahankaraha, Smayaha, Smayadushitaha. Smayaha means also same thing, Abhimana. So, Garvaha, Darpaha, Ahankaraha, Smayaha. Sampad iti padasya. Dhanam, Dravyam, Dravyam also money. Dhanam, Dravyam, Vittam, Vittam, Arthaha, Artha Shabda is there.
But in this case it is guna also. It is guna.
No, it is not.
All are characteristics only. Sampad.
No, we are isolating that now. Sampad in this sense, others not. So, Artha, Vittam, Dravidam, Dravyam, etc. You can take. Dhanam. Udaharananusaram uchitam rupam likata. Okay. What is to be written? Asura, Asuri. Indra. No. Check what is. Asuri is feminine. Neep is used. We have already studied in Taditanta. Asurasya. Asura Shabdat Stritva Vivakshayam Neep. Similarly, here Indra is from Indra Shabda you get Indrani, the wife of Indra. Indrani. Indrasya Patni Anuk Neep. Indrani Anuk, there is one Agama is there. Indrani you get. Vishnu Vaishnavi, like Vaishnavi Shakti, Vaishnavi Sampad. Vishnu An, Vaishnavi. Shambhu, Shambhavi. Nowadays it is very famous. Shambhu An, Shambhava, Neep. Shambhava plus Neep again. Then Putra, very simple, Putri. So repeat this. Indra, Indrani. Vishnu, Vaishnavi. Shambhu, Shambhavi. Putra, Putri. So these are the feminine makings of these words. Then we have Yathodaharanam, Riktasthana Puranam. Srinivas. Fifth part. Parusha Shan. Parusham, we have seen that. Bahula Shain. Bahulyam, very good. Taruna, Tarunyam. Chanchala, Chanchalyam. Chapala, Safala, Safalyam. Sama, Samyam. Everywhere Adi Vriddhi is coming. You can see that. Parusha, Parusham. Bahula, Bahul. Taruna, Tarunyam. Chanchala, Chanchalyam. Chapala, Chapalyam. Safala, Safalyam, etc. Antima, Samyam, equality, evenness, Samyam. Then, Shashtamshaha, Slokanusaram, Riktasthanam, okay. Krodaha, Asurim Sampadam, Abhijatasya Lakshanam. Next, Darpaha, no, just a minute. How many are given?
6.
Okay. Darpaha. That is what. Darpaha Abhijatasya. Okay. Tritiya Krodaha is already come. Dambaha. Parushyam Asurim Sampadam Abhijatasya. Yeah. Ajnanam. No, that is not here. Ajnanam Partha Avijatasya Lakshanam. I don't know. Isn't it?
Asurim Sampadam, we have to fill up Asurim. Ajnanam is given, no?
Asurim Sampad Abhijana. Okay, that's. Acha, he has deleted that. Okay, just finish it up once again.
Yeah.
Darpaha Abhi.
Asurim Sampadam.
Yeah.
Then Dambhaha Asurim Sampadam.
Abhimana is also there. We have omitted.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay. Parushyam Asurim Sampadam.
Ajnanam Asurim Sampadam.
Okay, very simple. Saptama. Baho Kalanantaram. For a long time you are getting this exercise. Shabdan Prajya. Okay. Abhijata means born, noble born, wise, learned. So many meanings are there. Handsome. Abhijata means Abhijata. Well born, noble born, learned person, wise person, etc. It can be used in, it is like a Visheshan also, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga. Trishu Lingeshu tatra prayaktum shakyate. Abhijataha, Abhijata, Abhijatam. Parantu atra Purushasya Vishaye vayam svikurmah. Make one sentence. Arjunah kaschit mahan abhijatah yodha Pandavah. Arjunah kaschit mahan abhijatah Pandavah. That is your sentence. But in the poem, it is used how Ajnanam cha abhijatasya. Asurim sampadam abhilakshya abhijatasya. That is how it is. Okay, that sentence. Sampad, Srinivas. संपद्वयम वर्तते एका दैवी संपद अन्या आसुरी संपद सिंपल सेंटेंस संपद्वयम वर्तते अस्मिन् श्लोके संपद्वयम वर्णितम एका संपद दैवी संपद अन्या आसुरी देयर आर टू संपदास स्पोकन इन दिस पोएम वन इज दैवी संपद अनदर इज आसुरी संपद. Or if you take this Samba Shabda, you can make another sentence also, apart from the current poem.
Daivanugrahena.
Yes.
Manavaka.
Sampadam.
Prapyate.
Prapyate na. Prapnoti. Lavate. Daivanu. Yeah. दैवानुकंपया और दैवानुग्रहेण मानवः संपदं प्राप्नोति लभते अधिगच्छति संपदम अधिगच्छति लभते. ओके, दैट्स गुड. दर्पः दर्पः न करणीयः. सिंपल सेंटेंस. दर्पः न करणीयः. Arrogance should not be indulged in. Ma kuru dhana jana yavvana darpam. Take out that garva. You make another statement. Ma kuru dhana jana yavvana darpam. Harati nimeshat kalaha sarvam. Finish. Like they do in songs. Take out the lyric and put in the same tune.
Yeah.
What is that called? There is some word for that. Old songs are, some national patriotic songs are made, devotionals are made like that. Some word is there for that. Tune they copy, but lyric is different. But here what we are doing, we are taking out one word and, okay, anyway. Dambha
दम्भः
आध्यात्मिक विषये दम्भः न कार्यः इति शास्त्रोक्तिः। शास्त्रानुसारं आध्यात्मिकता विषये आध्यात्मिक विषयेषु दम्भः न कार्यः न करणीयः न कर्तव्यः न प्रकटितव्यः। दम्भ should not be exhibited in religious matters. दम्भः एकः दुर्गुणः आसुरी गुणः। दम्भः एकः आसुरी गुणः। So repeat the simple sentences we have made. अर्जुनः कश्चित् महान् अभिजातः पाण्डवः। सम्पद्, you said something? दैवानुग्रहेण मानवः सम्पदं प्राप्नोति लभते। दर्पः न करणीयः न कार्यः। मा कुरु धन जन यौवन दर्पम् इति एकं वाक्यं। दम्भः दुर्गुणः। दम्भः एकः दुर्गुणः आसुरी गुणः इति। नूतन श्लोकः श्लोकसंख्या 6 संख्याकः गीतायां, परन्तु अत्र 54तमः। श्रीनिवास पठतु।
द्वौ भूतसर्गो लोकेऽस्मिन् देव आसुर एव
न दैव। द्वौ भूतसर्गौ लोकेऽस्मिन् आसुर एव च दैवो विस्तारशः प्रोक्त। आसुरं पार्थ मे शृणु। वेरी सिंपल पदच्छेदं। द्वौ भूतसर्गौ लोके अस्मिन् दैव आसुरः दैवः एव च। दैवः विस्तरशः विस्तारेण इति विस्तरशः प्रोक्तः उक्तः कथितः वर्णितः। आसुरम् इदानीं हे पार्थ आसुरं मे शृणु। लिसन् टू माय आसुरी डेफिनिशन। ओके, पदपरिचयं कुर्मः। द्वौ द्वि इति संख्यावाचकं पुंलिंग। Always it will be in द्विवचन only. It can't be in एकवचन बहुवचन। भूतसर्गौ लोके करांत पुल्लिंग। व्हाटएवर द्विवचन। हाँ, भूतसर्गः भूतसर्गौ सृष्टि। अस्मिन् इदं शब्द मकारान्त। दैवः आसुरः यह विशेष एव अव्ययं च अव्ययं। दैवः रिपीटेड। विस्तरशः अव्ययं। प्रोक्तः आसुरं पार्थ मे शृणु शृणु। षष्ठी एकवचनं वैकल्पिकं रूपं मे मम मे सेकंड फॉर्म मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः इति। शृणु श्रु इति धातुः शृणोति इति परस्मैपदे लोट्। शृणु इज वेरी क्लोज टू अवर तेलुगु विनु। More than that in Telugu na vinu. Shrunu vinu. Suno. There in the Hindi more, but this particular aspect of Telugu. Akanksha Srinivas. Staha are there, two are there, two things are there. Kau staha, who two, which two are there? Bhuta Sargau. Created beings. Bhuta Sargau. Two created beings are there. कुत्रस्थः, वेर आर दे? कियन्तौ भूतसर्गौ स्तः। हाउ मेनी क्रिएटेड बीइंग्स आर देयर? द्वौ। टू क्रिएटेड बीइंग्स आर देयर। Kutrastha, where are these two?
अस्मिन् लोके
In this world. Prathamah bhutasargaha kaha, who is the first created?
दैवः
Daivaha. Aparaha bhutasarga, which is the other creation?
असुरः एव
Asuraha eva, demonic. Proktaha, proktaha nama, said, described, etc. Kaha proktaha, who is spoken of?
दैवः
Describe.
प्रोक्तः
Described, whatever. Daivaha proktaha. Daivaha means here divine. Katham proktaha, how is he described?
विस्तरशः प्रोक्तः
Extensively spoken of. Vistarashah. Shrunu. Atra kim sambodhanam. Listen. Atra kim sambodhanam. What is the sambodhana word here in this sloka?
पार्थ इति
Partha iti. Partha he partha iti. Kim shrunu, listen to what?
आसुरं शृणु
Listen to the demonic state. Kasmat shrunu. Kasmat shrunu. Listen from whom?
मे वचनात् शृणु
From my word. Listen from my word. From mama. Me vachanat, mama vachanat shrunu. Okay. So, द्विसंख्याकौ द्विसंख्यौ द्विप्रकारौ भूतग्रामौ अत्र वर्णितौ स्तः. श्रीनिवास पदार्थं पश्यामः. अस्मिन् लोके
अस्मिन् लोके द्वौ भूतसर्गौ देवः आसुरः एव च स्तः तत्र देवः
Okay, one sentence. We'll pause. Sentences are three here in this small sentences. Asmin loke, in this world, dvau bhuta sargau, two created beings are there. One is divine, another is demonic, evacha and as well.
तत्र देवः विस्तरशः प्रोक्तः
So far we have tatra there, here in this regard, daivaha vistarashaha proktah. The divine has been extensively spoken of.
हे पार्थ
O Arjuna,
सम्प्रति
Now-
आसुरं मे वचनात् शृणु
right now you listen to me, to my words, Asuram me vachanat shrunu. You take it as from my word. So that is Anvaya Padartham. Asmin loke, etasmin samsare, dvau
द्विसंख्याकौ
ubhaya vidau, dvisankhyaकौ dvisanख्यौ dviprakarau ubhaya vidau, bhuta sargau,
प्राणिनां
srushti, the creations of the living beings. Srushti is Srinivas. Srushti is Srushtayah. Praninam Srushti. Daivaha. Daiva Sampadayuktaha Sampadayutaha. Yes, united with the divinity. Then Asuraha.
आसुर सम्पदान्तः
Yeah. Asura Sampadayutaha. Vistarashaha. Vistarena. Extensively. Proktaha, Katitaha, Varnitaha, etc. Partha, E Arjuna. Asuram,
आसुर सम्पत्ति
Yutam. Me Vacharat.
मम वचनात् शृणु
Shrunu, Akarnaya, Akarnaya. Bhavartham padatu.
अस्मिन् जगति विविधे प्राणिनां सृष्टिः स्तः
Sentence. Asmin Jagati, in this world, Dvividhe, two types of Praninam Srushti Staha. Two types of creations of beings are there.
एका दैवी सृष्टिः यत्र दैवी सम्पदायुताः प्राणिनः अपरा च आसुरी सृष्टिः यत्र आसुरी सम्पदायुताः प्राणिनः सन्ति
Eka Daivi Srushti, one creation is divine. Yatra, where Daivi Sampadayutaha, Daivi Sampadayutaha Yuktaha Praninaha, people with divine qualities, Apara, and the other one is Asuri Srushti, other creation is the creation of the demons, demonic creation, where Yatra Asuri Sampadayutaha Praninaha Santi, people, beings are with this demonic nature.
दैवी सृष्टिः पूर्वमेव विस्तरेण निरूपिता
This divine creation of beings has already been extensively explained.
हे अर्जुन
O Arjuna,
सम्प्रति त्वं मम वचनात्
Uchyamanam.
विस्तरशः शृणु.
O Arjuna, now you listen to me extensively, to my words which are going to tell about Asurim. That is understood. Uchyamanam being said. Mama vachanat uchyamanam vistarashah. What is being told by me or what is going to be told by me, listen to that extensively. English is okay, we will not go to that. Nidarshanam, Vyakaranamsha, Sandhihi, Pratamam, Lokesmin.
Loke plus asmin purva rupa sandhi.
So, Purva Rupa Sandhi is like when you put Avagra. Daiva Asura Eva.
Daivaha plus
Asuraha
plus eva visarga sandhi.
Visarga Lopa Sandhi, strictly. Daivo Vistarashaha.
Daivaha plus vistarashaha
Visarga Sandhi. Prokta Asuram, Prokta Asuram, Visarga Sandhi. Samasa Eka Eva, Bhuta Sargau.
भूतानां सर्गः भूतसर्गः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः तौ भूतसर्गौ.
भूतानां सर्गः सृष्टिः भूतसर्गः इति. ओके वन कृदन्त एकः प्रोक्तः प्र
इति उपसर्ग भ्रू इति
धातु. I think we have already come across this. तदितान्तः अपि एकः विस्तरशः. विस्तर इति शस् इति प्रत्यय. Shah, shas becomes shah, vistarashah, and it becomes avyaya extensively. Idanim punah samikaranam, correction is required. 44 chatuchatvarimshah abhyasah. Pustakasta sloka sankhya chatur panchashat tamah sloka. 54th, otherwise it is different in the chapter. Sandhi vichedam karaniyam. Lokesmin, quick. Loke. Loke asmin.
No, sorry. Loke.
Rame pi.
Rame plus.
No, in reading we don't consciously read a. Rame pi. Lokesmin. A should somewhat like maintained silent. We don't, because a is not there, so we don't consciously pronounce that. Lokesmin. But it is sounded. Ramepi, sounded. Then vartate adhuna. Vartate dhuna. So put avagra again. Samaye atikrante. Samaye atikrat. Everywhere after that you put avagra and take out akara. Hareva. Hare plus ava. A only has to be taken out here. Hare ava. He Hare, Sambodhana. He Hare ava raksha. Ava naam means avatu mam. Ava raksha iti. He Hare mam raksha. Hare eva. So that is done. Dvitiyamshaha. Pradattanam padanam. Okay. Pratipadi. Loke, loka. Dvau, dvi. Prokta. Proktaha. Prokta only. You want to there pura prokta is pratipadika as far as this is then derived. May is asmat shabda. May is asmat shabda. Okay, next. May over asmin. What is the base for this? Idam. Idam shabda. Idam. So repeat Srinivas. Loka, dvi, prokta, asmad, idam. Idam. Uchita melanam. Okay, joining. Asmin, loke. 2. Dvau, 3. Proktaha, Vistarashaha 5. Partha Daivaha Bhutasargaha 4. So 1 Ka 2 Kha 3 Ga 5 Gha 1 Nya 4. Okay? Bhutasarga. प्रश्नोत्तरं प्रथमः भूतसर्गः कः? ओके, यू टू जॉइन अगेन. दैवः. क3. ख. द्वितीयः भूतसर्गः कः? आसुरः. थर्ड वन. कः अर्जुनं श्रावयति? हु इज मेकिंग अर्जुन लिसन? कृष्णः. श्लोके अर्जुनस्य संबोधनं किम्? अर्थ. विविधः सर्गः केषां प्रोक्तः? भूत. वेरी सिंपल ओनली. यथोचितं योजयेत. प्रोक्तः. So descriptive is given. तांतम रूपम. तांतम तांत. ग. शृणु लोट मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन. घ. शृणु इज कर्तरी लोट मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन, दैट इज घ. राइट, यू आर राइट. आसुरः अयम. लास्ट वन. विस्तरशः यस. तद्धितान्तम अव्ययम. द्वौ संख्या शब्दः. सो रैपिडली ग घ ङ क क. These are the answers. Nothing difficult I find here. Last one. उदाहरणं. यथोदाहरणं वाक्यानि परिवर्तय. कृष्णः कृष्णेन दैवः भूतसर्गः प्रोक्तः is made into. This is कर्मणि प्रयोग. अयं वाक्यं क्षम्यताम्, इदं वाक्यं कर्मणि प्रयोगे अस्ति. किं वाक्यं? कृष्णेन दैवः भूतसर्गः प्रोक्तः इति वाक्यं कर्मणि प्रयोगे अस्ति. एतस्य वाक्यस्य कर्तरि प्रयोगे अत्र उदाहरणरूपेण दत्तः अस्ति. इट्स गिवन एज एन एग्जांपल. कृष्णेन फ्रॉम तृतीया, you know very well, Krishna, it comes to prathama. Then what is dvitiya becomes
prathama becomes
no. What is object? Object becomes subject. Subject becomes goes to tritiya. So krishnena krishnah. Daivaha is daivam. So daiva is prathama here in karmani prayoga. In kartari prayoga, in active voice, we are talking about passive voice and active voice for the readers. So when it comes to active voice, daivaha become daivam. Bhuta sargaha, which is also in prathama, it goes to prathama, dvitiya, bhuta sargam. And the verb changes because it goes with krishnaha. It has to agree with krishnaha. Proktavan, spoke. Spoken by Krishna. Krishna spoke. That is the difference. Now you do. Similar way. Krishna asuram proktavan. Krishna spoke about the asura demonic creation. Yes, next. Parthaha bhutasargam shrutavan. Now here shrutaha becomes shrutavan. That is the only change. Then Parthena asuraha bhutasargaha shrutaha. Shrutavan. Punaha same. Again same. Parthaha asuram bhutasargam shrutavan. Gitaya asuraha upasargaha uktaha. The demonic creation of the beings is spoken by the Gita. That is a little meaning here.
Gita asuram bhutasargam uktavati.
Uktavati is given. Okay. Bhaktena Ishvaraha architaha. A devotee, no. Lord is worshipped by a devotee. No, ekavachana. Bhaktaha Ishwaram archati. Or architaha is there, na? Past tense architavan. Bhaktaha Ishwaram architavan. Sishyaihi Vedaha patitaha. Vedas are studied by the students.
Shishyaha Vedan
patitavantaha. Very good. Sishyaha Vedan patitavantaha. Students have studied that. Acharyaihi Sishyaha upadishtaha. The students are instructed by the teachers.
Acharyaha
शिष्यान्
उपदिष्टवान्
उपदिष्टवन्तः आचार्याः शिष्यान् उपदिष्टवन्तः लाइक द अबव पठितवन्तः लक्ष्म्या by Lakshmi Vishnu सेवितः Vishnu is served by Lakshmi Lakshmi visarga comes here prathama after Lakshmi visarga Vishnum sevitavati yes sevitavati or you can put asevata Vishnum asevata or sevitavati अंतिम सीतया रामः परिणीतः Rama was married by Sita. This is ulta. Siya ke Ram influence.
Sita Ramam
Parinitavati. Correct, you are right. Sita Ramam Parinitavati. We'll sum up this, Srinivas. Second one, Krishnena Asuraha Bhutasargaha Proktaha. Krishnaha Asuram Bhutasargam Proktavan. पार्थेन दैवः भूतसर्गः श्रुतः पार्थः दैवं भूतसर्गं श्रुतवान् पार्थेन आसुरः भूतसर्गः श्रुतः गीतया आसुरः भूतसर्गः उक्तः गीता उक्तवती गीता उक्तवती गीता माता गीतया आसुरः भूतसर्ग ओके भक्तेन ईश्वरः अर्चितः भक्तः ईश्वरम् अर्चितवान् शिष्यैः वेदाः पठिताः शिष्याः पठितवन्तः आचार्यैः शिष्याः उपदिष्टाः आचार्याः उपदिष्टवन्तः लक्ष्म्या विष्णुः सेवितः लक्ष्मीः सेवितवती असेवत सीतया रामः परिणीतः सीता परिणीतवती डू यू थिंक नीड टू राइट नेक्स्ट क्लास विल राइट जस्ट गाइडलाइंस सम फ्यू उत्तर पुनर्मिलामः शुभं भूयात्